Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Magic of Math. Students, today we are going to do the worksheet number 4 of class 6, that is playing with numbers. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel and like and comment in the comment section below. So let's begin with worksheet number 4 of class 6, that is playing with numbers. The first question. राइट ऑल दी फैक्टर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। बेटा आपने इसके फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं। फैक्टर्स लिखने के लिए यू फॉलो दिस मेथड। आपके पास जो भी नंबर होगा, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर गिवन 12, यू विल राइट इट एज 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय दैट नंबर, दैट इज 12, 1 12s are 12. Then after 1, that is, which number is next? 2, and 12 is divisible by 2, and you can write 12 as 2 multiplied by 6. Then after 2 it is 3. 12 is also divisible by 3. 3 के टेबल में 12 आता है. So we can write it as 3 4s are 12. After 3 it is 4, but 4 is already written on the right side. So you will stop at this step and you will write all the factors in the U form. That is, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. दैट इज़ 12 जो है वो 1 के टेबल में, 2 के टेबल में, 3 के, 4 के, 6 एंड 12 के टेबल में आता है. दीज आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ द नंबर 12. Similar is the second part. You have to write the factors of 8. So first of all, I will write 8 as 1 multiplied by 8. Then after 1, 2, it is divisible by 2. So 2 multiplied by 4. Then after 2 it is 3, but 8 is not divisible by 3. 3 के टेबल में 8 नहीं आता. Then next is 4, and 4 is already written. So you will write these factors in the U form. So the factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. I hope students you have understood this. Now let's move to the second question. Write the first two multiples of the following. बेटा आपने इसके मल्टीपल्स लिखने हैं. मल्टीपल मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट द टेबल. You have to write the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. Then next 7 twos are 14. Then 7 threes are 21. So these are the multiples. Then in B part you have to write the multiples of 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. And 14 threes are 42. So these are the multiples of 14. And in the last part you have to write the multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and 9 threes are 27. So these are the multiples of 9. Then moving on to question number 3. Circle the prime numbers. बेटा आपने इसमें वो वाले नंबर सर्कल करने हैं जो प्राइम है. Prime means which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. तो आपको पता है जो 2 है वो सिर्फ या 1 के टेबल में जाता है वो या 2 के टेबल में. सो 2 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर. दिस इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर और द ओनली इवन प्राइम नंबर. देन नेक्स्ट 9. 9 इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3 स्टूडेंट्स, सो इट इज़ नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. हम इसको सर्कल नहीं करेंगे. देन नेक्स्ट इज़ 3. yes, 3 is a prime number, so you will circle this number because it has only two factors, 1 and 3. Then 11 is also a prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and 11. Then 15. 15 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 3 as well as 5. 1 और 15 के अलावा वो 3 पे भी divisible है, 5 पे भी है, तो वो prime number नहीं है. I hope question is clear to you students. Moving on to question number 4th. You have to circle the composite numbers. अब the numbers which are not prime, दैट इज़ दे हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. उनके 2 फैक्टर्स से ज़्यादा होते हैं. 1 एंड नंबर इटसेल्फ से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं, वो कॉम्पोजिट होते हैं. अब इस क्वेश्चन में हमने कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स पे सर्कल लगाना है. येस, 4 इज़ अ कॉम्पोजिट नंबर बिकॉज इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 2. 7 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर बेटा बिकॉज 7 इज़ डिविजिबल बाय ओनली 1 एंड 7, तो हम इस पे सर्कल नहीं लगाएंगे. देन नेक्स्ट 9. 9 इज़ अगेन अ कॉम्पोजिट नंबर बिकॉज इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3. So we will put a circle on 9. Then 10. 10 is also divisible by 2 as well as 5 as well as 1 and 10. So अपने 1 और 10 के अलावा भी ये किसी और टेबल पे जा रहा है. So it is a composite number. Then 5. 5 is a prime number because it is divisible by only 1 and 5. So we will not put a circle. Moving on to question number 5. You have to mark correct on the true statement and wrong on the false statement. The first one is 3 is the smallest odd prime number. बेटा हमारे पास जो prime numbers हमने करे थे Sievert parenthesis में, you know that the first prime number is 2, next prime number is 3, but 2 is even and 3 is odd. तो सबसे छोटा odd prime number कौन सा है? 3. So this is a true statement, so you will put a correct sign. Then 63 is a prime number. Students, you can easily see that 63, the sum of the digits 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So 63 is also divisible by 3. So it is not a prime number. This is false. This statement would have been true अगर यहाँ पे prime की जगह होता composite. तब ये statement हमारे पास true हो जाती that 63 is a composite number. Then 12 is a odd number. Students, you know, even and odd, the digits अगर end में आपके पास 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 आता है तो वो even होता है और अगर 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 आता है तो वो odd होता है. इसमें end में last unit digit is 2. So this is an even number. So this is again a false statement. This would have been true अगर यहाँ पे odd की जगह हमारे पास even लिखा होता, तब ये true होता. Next question. All the prime numbers are odd. Students, the first prime number is 2, which is even. So this is again a false statement. So all prime numbers are not odd. All prime numbers except 2 are odd. 2 को छोड़ के बाकी सारे prime numbers odd हैं. All the even numbers are composite. Students, again 2 एक even number है which is prime. So this is again a false statement. All the even numbers except 2 are composite. Then last part, 1 is a prime number. बेटा 1 को हम ना ही prime की category में गिनते हैं और ना ही composite की. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. So this is again a false statement. I hope true false is clear to you. Moving on to question number 6. 2 examples of perfect numbers. Students, what are perfect numbers? First of all, perfect numbers are the numbers the sum of whose factors is double the number. अब आपने क्या करना है? I'll give you one example of the perfect number and I'll show you how it is a perfect number. For example, 6 is the first perfect number. कैसे? अब इसके factors जो हमने first question में किया था, I will write all the factors of it. That is 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors. When you add all the factors leaving the 6, that gives you 6. So 6 plus 6 gives you 12. So either you can say it this way कि sum of all the factors leaving 6 is the number, या अगर आप वो नंबर को भी ऐड कर रहे हो तो वो उसका डबल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो परफेक्ट नंबर्स के लिए यू हैव द डेफिनेशन, द नंबर इज कॉल्ड अ परफेक्ट नंबर. वो नंबर परफेक्ट नंबर होता है जिसके फैक्टर्स को प्लस करके नंबर का डबल बनता है. तो अब 6 था, इसके फैक्टर्स को प्लस करके 12 बना, दैट इज डबल ऑफ 6. सो 6 इज अ परफेक्ट नंबर. सिमिलरली यू कैन चेक the factors of 28. 28 is also a perfect number. Moving on to question number 7. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 3. बेटा आपको 3 का divisibility rule पता है. This is a very easy question. आपने सभी digits को sum कर देना होता है और sum करके जो आंसर आता है अगर वो 3 पे divide होता है तो मेरा number भी divisible होता है. For example, first part is 123. So what will I do? 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. So this implies that 123 is also divisible by 3. बेटा ये आपने इस मेथड से करके दिखाना है. आपने सभी डिजिट्स को प्लस करना है. जो प्लस करके आंसर आता है वो अगर डिविजिबल होगा तो नंबर भी डिविजिबल होगा. सेकेंड बी पार्ट. Now 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 and 6 is 12. तो इनको प्लस करके 12 आ रहा है. 12 is divisible by 3. So yes, 336 will also be divisible by 3. Then C part, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 7 10. So इनको प्लस करके मेरे पास आ रहा है 10, एंड आपको पता है कि 3 के टेबल में 10 नहीं आता. 10 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 3. So 127 will also not be divisible by 3. The next is 59. 5 plus 9, that gives you 14, and 14 is not divisible by 3. So 59 will also not be divisible by 3. Moving on to question number 8, you have to find the common factors. बेटा अभी हमने जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया था उसमें हमने एक नंबर के फैक्टर्स निकाले थे. नाउ वी आर गिवन टू नंबर्स, दो नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, हमने उनके आपस में कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं. बच्चे कॉमन फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो 4 के भी फैक्टर्स हों और 15 के भी हों. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4. तो 4 के फैक्टर्स 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. सो द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4 आर 1, 2 and 4. Similarly, I will write the factors of 15. 1 into 15, it is not divisible by 2. Then I'll check at 3. So 3 into 5. Then it is not divisible by 4. Then 5 is already written. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now I will write over here factors of 4 and then factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now students, you can easily see that the only common factor between them is 1. So common factor is 1. Moving on to the B part, I will write the factors of 12 first. 12 can be written as 1 multiplied by 12, 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Similarly, I will find the factors of 16, and similarly I will find the factors of 18, and then I will find the common factors. For 16, I will write it as 1 multiplied by 16, 2 multiplied by 8, then it is not divisible by 3, then 4 multiplied by 4. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And for 18, 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, not divisible by 4 and 5. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So students, you can see that the common factors are 1 and 2. So इस question में in this part we have the common factors as 1 and 2. I hope the question is clear to you. It was a very easy question. Moving on to question number 9th, you have to complete the factor tree. Factor tree में बेटा पहले बार आपके पास first part में number दिया हुआ है 60. 60 has been broken into two parts, two branches, that is 6 into 10. तो जब आप इन दोनों branches को multiply करोगे 6 tens are you get 60. Then 6 is again हमेशा branches उस number की निकलती हैं जो composite होता है. अगर आपके पास end में prime number आ जाता है तो उसकी branches नहीं extend होती. Now 6 is a composite number, तो इसकी दो branches निकली, तो वन ब्रांच पे आ गया 2 विच इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर, तो आगे इसकी ब्रांचेस एक्सटेंड नहीं होंगी. देन 6 के क्या फैक्टर्स होते हैं 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, सो इन द अदर ब्रांच यू विल गेट 3. 3 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर, सो विल स्टॉप ओवर हेयर. ऑन द राइट साइड यू हैव दिस 10, तो 10 के आपके पास दो ब्रांचेस बने 5 into 2, दैट इज़ 10. अगेन बोथ आर प्राइम, सो यू विल स्टॉप ओवर हेयर. सो दिस इज़ द फैक्टर ट्री ऑफ 60. Other form of writing the factor tree of 60 is, बेटा 60 के दो branches निकलेंगी, it is misprint error over here, so you will get 60 is equal to 30 multiplied by 2. 2 is a prime number, you will stop here. Then 30 can be written as 10 multiplied by 3. 3 is again a prime number, 3 की branches नहीं निकलेंगी, 10 की होंगी. Then 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5. Both are prime numbers, so you will stop over here. So this is the factor, another form of writing the factor tree of 60. So you can write the factor tree of 60 in many forms. Moving on to question number 10, you have to find the HCF of 24 and 36. बेटा HCF निकालने के लिए you can follow the long division method as well as the prime factorization method. Okay students, so one question I will do with the long division and one I will do with factor method. Now for 24 and 36 I will do the division method. What you have to do is you have to keep the bigger number inside. छोटे नंबर से आपने डिवाइड करना है. So 24 से आपने डिवाइड करना है कौन से नंबर को, 36 को. So this will go on 1. So this is 24. 24 ones are 24. You get the remainder as 12. Now you have to keep on repeating this process until and unless you get the remainder as 0. Now your remainder becomes the divisor. जो आपके पास नीचे remainder है वो डिवाइज़र बन जाएगा और जो आपका डिवाइज़र था वो डिविडेंड बन जाएगा. यहाँ पे डिवाइज़र हमारे पास 24 था, वो अब हमारा डिविडेंड बन जाएगा. नाउ यू हैव टू डिवाइड 24 by 12. So 12 twos are 24. You get the answer remainder as 0. So this last divisor which gives you the remainder as 0 is your answer. So by division method I get the HCF of 24 and 36 as 12. Now I will do one part with prime factorization method. You will write the prime factors of 18 first. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are, so the prime factors of 18 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then you will write the prime factors of 54. You will divide it by 2. You will get 27. Then it is divisible by 3. Then again 3. So the prime factors of 54 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Then you will write the prime factors of 81. It is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 27. Then again 3 9s are, again 3 3s are, and 3. So you get the prime factors of 81 as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And for writing the HCF now, what you have to do is you have to take the common factors from all the three numbers. अब देखो बेटा 18 24 के पास 2 factor है but 81 के पास नहीं है. Then this 3 is common in all the three numbers. So this 3 I'll write it. Then one more 3 is there which can be taken common from all the three numbers. So this again I will write. Now I cannot take one more 3 because 18 के पास और 3 नहीं बचा. So the HCF of 18, 54 and 81 is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. So this is the prime factorization method जो हमने D part में किया है. जो A part में किया, this is the division method. Whichever method suits you, you can follow that method. And the rest two parts are the assignment for you. You have to do it. In case you have any problem, then you can message me in the comment section. Question number 11. Which of the following are the co-prime numbers? बेटा co-prime numbers की हमारे पास definition होती है जिन numbers का common factor सिर्फ 1 होता है वो numbers co-prime होते हैं. मतलब कि वो किसी common table पे नहीं जाते. अब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि co-prime numbers have to be prime numbers. They can be composite also. Starting with A part, 2 and 3 have only common factor as 1. So these are co-prime, yes. 9 and 12 both are divisible by 3. So these are not co-prime. 9 and 4. अब देखो बेटा ये दोनों ही prime numbers नहीं है. 9 भी prime नहीं है, 4 भी नहीं है. Both are composite. But they are co-prime क्योंकि उनका common factor सिर्फ 1 है. तो yes, 15 and 45 have common factor as 5. तो ये co-prime नहीं है. I hope the question is clear to you. Then moving on to the 12th question, you have to find the LCM. Again, it has 4 parts. I'll do 2 parts for you and the next 2 parts are the assignment for you. C part. You have to find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. So you will write all these numbers in a line. This method of prime factorization of finding the LCM. All three numbers have the common factor as 5. So these all are divisible by 5. 20, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. Now 4, 5 and 6 में से सिर्फ 4 और 6 हैं जिनका कॉमन फैक्टर 2 है. सो 2 2s are 4, 5 is not divisible by 2 तो वो सीधा नीचे आ जाएगा and 2 3s are 6. Now 2, 5 and 3 are बेटा co-prime numbers, इनका आपस में कोई फैक्टर कॉमन नहीं है. So you can leave it over here only and the LCM you will get by multiplying all these numbers, that is 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 3. ये जो आपके पास सारे नंबर्स आ गए आप इनको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे and you will get the LCM. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, so 10 into 10 into 3. So 10 10s are 100 into 3, that is 300. So this was a very easy question. I got the LCM as 300. I will do one more part for you. We have to find the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36. 4 numbers are there. I will write them all in one line and I will find the common factor. All are divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24 and 2 18s are 36. Then again all are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12 and 2 9s are 18. Now इसमें से 3, 6 and 9 है which are divisible by 3. So I will write 3 1s are 3, 4 नहीं है, I will bring it down as it is. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now 4 and 2 are there with both are divisible by 2. So 1 2 2s are 4, 1 and 3. अब बेटा 2 और 3 नीचे co-prime आ गए, so you can leave it over here. So I will multiply all these numbers which are on the left side and which are left below. So the LCM is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 2 is 48 and 48 into 3 is 144. 48 into 3, 3 8s are 24, 4 3s are 12 and 144. Yes. So the answer is 144 is the LCM. So you can do the other two parts. In case of any problem, you can message me beta. Now question number 13. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 32. बेटा आपको पता है जो smallest 4-digit number होता है that is 1000. But 1000 is not divisible by 18, 24 and 32 exactly. We have to find that number जो 18 के टेबल में भी जाए, 24 पे भी जाए और 32 पे भी जाए. So what we will do is, first of all, we will find the LCM of 18, 24 and 32 again by the division method. So all three are divisible by 2, 2 9s are, 2 12s are and 2 16s are. Then again divisible by 2, 9 is not divisible, I'll bring it as it is, 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are 16. Again divisible by 2, 9 is not divisible, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now 3 and 9 are divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 1 and 4 is not divisible, I'll bring it as it is. Now 3 and 4 are co-prime, so you can stop it over here. So I will find the LCM, that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 8s are 24 and here you get 3 into 4 that is 12 and 24 into 12 when you will multiply you will get the answer as 288. Students, अगर तो question होता find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 32, then the answer would have been 288 क्योंकि ये 3-digit number है जो 18 पे भी जाता है, 24 पे भी जाता है, 32 पे भी जाता है. But we have to find the 4-digit number. So for finding the 4-digit number, we will find the multiples of 288 because जो अब 288 का टेबल होगा वो तीनों नंबर से डिविजिबल है. 288 को 1 से करेंगे तो वी गेट 288. अब किस नंबर से 288 को मल्टीप्लाई करें सो दैट वी गेट द 4-digit नंबर, दैट इज विद 4. 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32 and 3 is 35 and 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So beta, your required number, your answer is 1152, and if you will check it, 1152 18 पे भी divisible है, 24 पे भी है and 32 पे भी है. I hope students the question is clear to you. Then moving on to the last question. In a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measures 80 centimeter, 85 and 90. What is the minimum distance? Beta, isme you please underline this word minimum. Each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete number of steps. For this question, you have to find the least common multiple of the given numbers, that is LCM of 80, 85 and 90. So I will find out the LCM of 80, 85 and 90 because जो LCM आएगा वो exactly divisible होगा by 80, 85 and 90. तो हमारे पास complete number of steps आ जाएंगे. ऑब्वियसली जो 80 सेंटीमीटर वाला स्टेप ले रहा है उसके स्टेप्स ज़्यादा होंगे, 85 वाले के कम होंगे और 90 वाले के और भी कम होंगे बिकॉज उनका स्टेप का साइज डिफरेंट है. बट वी नीड द डिस्टेंस टू बी कवर्ड इन कंप्लीट नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स. जैसे हमारे पास कंप्लीट नंबर आ जाए तो दैट इज़ जो नंबर 80 पे भी डिविजिबल है, 85 पे भी और 90 पे भी है. सो ऑल थ्री आर डिविजिबल बाय 5. You get it as 16, 17 and 18. Now 16 and 18 are divisible by 2. So 2 8s are, 17 is not divisible and 2 9s are. Now these are co-prime numbers, so you can leave it over here. So the LCM is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 9. And when you multiply them, you get 12240 as the answer. So your answer is 12240 centimeter distance should be walked by each so that the distance is covered in complete number of steps. I hope the assignment is clear to you students. If you have any doubt then you can message me in the comment section. I'm always there to help you. So students, please complete this assignment. Till then, stay happy, stay home, stay safe and always keep smiling students. Bye bye and take care.